Hello everyone, maybe having some issue with your iPhone where some reason the battery life of your iPhone is dropping down like crazy and it's extremely fast. Now what does it mean? Well, essentially whether you are looking at the battery life on the top right corner, you may be seeing that the battery life is going down exponentially fast, just really fast. The first thing I recommended doing here is go to your settings, scroll down and find battery. Tap on battery and select battery health. There now if you look at your maximum capacity right there, and this is like really low, like this is like 75, like if it's even worse like 70 or something like that, it really doesn't matter what you do. For the most part of your battery health of your iPhone has just significantly gone down, so it's not doing to be at a high level and your battery life is going to deeply extremely fast. But if you look at this and you still see it's like actually like pretty high, it's like 90 or higher. Well, one of the main things you want to take a look at is making sure you are now running a beta of a version of software. So if you're running like iOS 16 beta, or in the future you're running like iOS 17, 18, whatever it is, if you are running a beta of a software, then can have some huge effect of your battery life. So we just go back and check it again. Go to settings, and from your settings you will see general. Go to it and tap software update. So if you have any update here, you just want and should download it. As you can see, I have already some updates. I just tap on download and install, enter my code, my password, just wait when download this software and installing it. You should check your software app. You just from your home find App Store and go to it. Then from your App Store you should tap on your profile at the top right corner here, and then reload this page. Just hold finger and find from top to down. And as you can see, I have too many apps to update. For now 18 apps. You just tap on update all. So next step, go to your settings, in general settings. Alright, then scroll down, tap on battery, and here tap on battery health and enable optimize battery charging. Just swipe the slider to the right side to enable this option. It's pretty simple and easy. So next step, go back in settings and find screen time. Here's the screen time, go to it. So if your screen time now is enabled, you should disable it. It's pretty much good for your battery. So you just scroll down, in the very bottom you will see turn off screen time. Just tap on it and turn off screen time. You should enter, I guess, passcode or Face ID, and now as you can see, turn on screen time. This means I disable screen time. So I hope this help your iPhone battery. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.